It's 8 a.m. You've just uploaded a video with zero expectations. The next morning, wow, 3,000 views. Then the next day comes, bam, 20,000 views, and the views just keep coming in. And guess what? I'm going to teach you exactly how top YouTubers achieve this. Let's make your videos entertaining the easy way. Believe it or not, you don't need an extremely over-edited video to go viral on YouTube. Trust me, too many people use the same hyper-edited style with tons of sound effects, which, by the way, are very annoying to most of us. A bunch of stock footage and B-roll, absolutely no one realizes that 90% of the stuff you throw in your video is worthless, just to make you feel better about your video. Yes, your video may not be perfect, but I'm going to give you the key to fix that and get you thousands of views on the platform. But why should you trust me? Because I've watched thousands of videos on this, and it's free advice. I have 4 locks you need to unlock to edit a viral video. And my way of doing it is 95% faster, more stress-free, and it works. So if you want to make more money, get more views, and save yourself a lot of time, listen up. Lock number 1 is scripting, which makes up over 95% of a good video and high retention rate. You can make anything interesting depending on how you use your words. Think about all the channels that you literally just sit down and watch. Mr. Beast and the top YouTubers do this extremely well. The reason why they get hundreds of thousands and even millions of views is, first, because the video topic is desirable, and second, the way they talk about the topic at hand is just plain entertaining to watch, focusing on what matters the most, which is a thoroughly thought-out script. Lock number 2 is understanding that you do not need to worry about how long your video should last as long as it has entertainment value. Here's a good rule of thumb. A 5-minute fun video will always perform better than a 20-minute rant video. If you want to get a high retention rate on your next video, don't cheat your viewers out of time. This works so well because, first of all, your video is palatable to today's audience. Let's face it, attention spans are going down. Shorter videos statistically work better, and the people that stumble upon your videos will end up wanting more if you have good content that is relatively short. Think about the last YouTuber you binge watched. If you were entertained the whole way through, you more than likely wanted more content. So if you can thoroughly entertain someone, no matter the time limit, you will get more views in the short and long term. Now please listen to lock number 3. It's to limit using easily accessible stock footage websites like Pitfalls and Pixabay. And this is why this is huge. Think about it. You've probably seen a lot of small unknown channels that use these stock videos that everyone has access to, and it just has this lazily edited vibe to it. You can tell the person doesn't really care about the video topic, so why should you even watch it in the first place? I'm telling you right now, doing this will kill your average view duration. Just because you use high-quality stock footage won't change the fact that there is no personality in your video. There is absolutely no originality to using stock footage. It's cheap and lazy, and it may be the reason why you don't get the views that you want. This is exactly what I would do to stand out. For most creators on YouTube, which not a lot of people do for some reason, get creative with your editing and imagery. Find pictures that work for your footage but are strange and new, and then add small zoom-in effects or what have you to give it some more life. This is already 10 times better than the stock footage you were using before, so you need to start getting creative. Lock number 4 is probably one of the most underrated methods to getting a higher average view duration. And you're probably going to think I'm crazy, but hear me out. No pun intended. Having a good selection of background music is actually important. It can either make or break your video. In my honest opinion, I've watched a lot of YouTube, and the last thing I want to hear is some overplayed royalty-free piano beats. Look, I'm not telling you to use copyrighted music. What I'm saying is really take your time and find that hidden gem background music on YouTube Studio's audio library to add to your video. Background music choice is creative and fun to listen to, so I would use that. This is a small thing but makes a huge difference. Video editing really doesn't need to be harder than you make it out to be. Just remember this. Scripting is key, don't stretch out your video, creative footage is always better than stock footage, and last but not least, fun music in your video can make or break the video you're making. So if this helped, give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this one.